In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a website on Namecheap CPanel step by step so you can get your site live as quickly and safely as possible. Whether you've built a simple HTML website, downloaded a template, or received a zipped website folder from a developer, this method will help you place your files in the right location and make sure your site loads properly on your domain. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, go to your hosting list. This is where you'll see all of your hosting services connected to your account. Find the hosting plan that belongs to the website you want to upload, then click Go to cPanel next to that hosting account. Now, you're inside cPanel, which is the control panel where you can manage your website files, domains, email, and more. To upload your website, look for the Files section and click File Manager. File Manager is where you'll see all the folders and files stored on your hosting account. When File Manager opens, you need to go into the public HTML folder. This is very important because public HTML is the web root for your main domain. In simple terms, this is the folder that tells your hosting account what visitors should see when they type in your domain name. Before uploading anything, take a moment to check what is already in public HTML. If there are old website files you no longer need, you can remove them carefully. Just make sure you do not delete anything important by mistake. If you're replacing an old website, clearing out old files first can help prevent conflicts between new and old content. Once the folder is ready, click Upload at the top of File Manager. Now select your website zip file from your computer. This zip file should contain all the files for your website, such as HTML files, CSS, images, scripts, and folders. After you select it, wait for the upload to finish completely. Do not refresh or close the page until the upload is done. After the file uploads, go back to public HTML and find the zip file you just uploaded. Right-click on it and choose Extract. This will unzip your website files directly on the server. When the extraction is complete, open the folder structure and make sure your website files are directly inside public/HTML, not buried inside an extra folder. This part is extremely important. If your files are inside an extra folder, your website may not load correctly when people visit your domain. You want your main website files, especially your homepage file, to be in the right place. For a static HTML website, your main page should usually be named Index.Html. If your homepage is named something else, your site may not open properly by default. So after extracting, check that Index.Html is inside public HTML along with any supporting files and folders your site needs. If you see an extra folder created during extraction, open it and move the contents up into public HTML if necessary. Once everything looks correct, open your domain in a browser such as http://example.com. If your domain is already pointed to your Namecheap hosting, your website should now load. Give it a few seconds if the changes are still propagating, and then refresh the page if needed. If the site doesn't show up right away, double check that your files are in public/HTML, that your homepage file is named Index.Html, and that your domain is connected to the correct hosting account. Those 3 steps usually solve most common issues, and that's it. You've now learned how to upload a website on Namecheap CPanel. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple hosting and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.